Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Rusev here. I'm coming back with part two of the game feature live coding. So yesterday I released a video that was the implementation of adding portals and multi-realms to JRealm. And this is a content feature for 0.2.7, which I'm going to release here in the next couple days, depending on when I get the stuff finished. So I want to pick up where I left off. I did some work in the meantime to sort of set things up just to make our life a little bit easier and some quality of life stuff, but I'll just show you where we're at. So, right, yesterday we implemented the portal game object, which I've set up to spawn, and I'm trapped in a tree. Yes, I need to add some controls to fix that, of course. I've also increased the server tick speed to 64, which makes the game a whole lot more responsive, as you can see. It's a little jittery. I'll add some algorithms or whatever I need to use to smooth it out later, but so what I'm demoed here, right? So what I've set up for this test is F2 will send a UsePortal packet. It's going to check the closest portal. I don't know why it's not working. I just tested this before I started recording. Kind of embarrassing. Oh, I wasn't in debug mode. Yeah, that's going to fail. Yeah, because I don't have this stuff set up yet. That's fun. Good way to start the video. Because this is live, I'm not going to re-record that. Right? So now we broke here, right? So what is the date I have? Should be a portal ID that I'm using. This is the ID of the portal I'm using. The from realm ID. So realms now have a ID in the player, right? So we need all this information. Essentially, the flow is from the current realm, right? Get the current realm, get the target realm, and get the user, and get the portal. Try to dereference those IDs. And if the target realm is null, we need to go generate it. So we're going to go check on the portal model using the portal ID to go check what map ID we should create, right? And then the next step is going to be, I've just added some stubs here to guide me as I go through this. So we're going to remove the player from the current realm, which we've done here, and then add it to the target. And that's about all we should need. So the big part of this video is going to be this change we need to make over here in the realm manager server. I've already set up a few things for what we need, right? So I've added the new data structure, which is a hash map of long to realm. There's going to be the realm ID and then the realm object itself, which holds, all the information about the tiles, the portals, everything like that, right? I don't know, there's change in here. Okay, yeah. So when I comment this out, right, the big thing that we're going to run into is all of these management methods, they are not contextualized to a realm ID. So things like adding a bullet, right, we're going to need to know context for what realm we need to add the bullet in, and some other things that we're going to run into along the way. So we're going to kind of take this as it goes, but I know I've already looked at this, and it's very ugly when I comment this out. I think that's kind of the best way to go through all the changes, and just replaced it with a contextualized version and then sort of bubble the changes out from there. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Hopefully it'll be nice and smooth, but you'll see what I'm talking about, right? So you can already see. And we're going to need a comment. We're going to comment out this constructor. So we're going to expect to load the realms in a manner like this, right? So we'll put it into the map. I'll probably add a shortcut method, but yeah, we need to edit a bunch of stuff in server game logic. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we'll not worry about this right now. Just comment that out. Sweet, one down. Okay, so the first thing. Okay, I'll worry about that a little bit later. We're gonna have to determine what realm a player is in. Maybe we could search. Maybe we'll build a search, or we'll have to source some other sort of key value. And this one's pretty easy. I've already started mocking this up. So we basically just need to, this is pretty easy. This is the main server loop or server tick loop. This should format itself. Okay. So right now, the task for the server to do is for each of the realms that we have, go look at the players in those realms and do their tick data or do their tick, logic, right? So determine their tiles and all that. So now this we can replace, we'll say, we'll do a little rename here. So we'll call this realm entry. So we can have this one. And then we can just replace all these. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. So now we've got this contextualized here. In theory, that would work. And let's go ahead and let's build like a little search down here. We'll say long player ID. And what this is going to do is going to just, because I can't think of a better way to do this right now, I'll probably refactor this, but I'll just search shit. For player in realm dot get player, sorry, get value dot get players. And if we'll say p dot get id, oh, sorry, player dot get id equals player id. This is type realm equals realm get value and return found. What? What? Oh. Okay. So to fix this one, we'll need to do then we can do this. Beautiful. All right, we're getting there. It's about, don't even want to count. Yeah, it's about a third, maybe 1/4. Let's see. Copy that loop. Refactor that. I can probably just... It's called loop. Okay, so what we need to do... Could I just do this in, right? Because I'm already iterating over the realms. So let me just put that in there. Okay. What happened to this? Did I change that? Oh. I'll move that comment in a sec. Yeah, I don't even work at this company anymore. I don't know why. I can't sign into the account to get it removed, and I don't really want to bother with that. Okay. Yeah, this is fun. Okay, so we can start, and when I'm right, this is a good example of contextualizing, right? So when I say get closest portal now, I need to know a little more information because there's more than one realm to look at. So we're going to need to have realm ID, the position, and the limit, right? So the first thing we're going to do is okay. So then this becomes target realm. Pretty simple. And we'll need this a lot, I have a feeling. And of course, all the methods that call these are going to need to be refactored. That's fine, right? We're getting there. Paste this. Copy that. Paste this. Paste this. This is half of what coding is, just pasting shit. Sick. Get paid to paste shit. Those only work if you know what you're doing, unfortunately. Sometimes the ChatGPT copy paste works, but 9 times out of 10 it'll just get you in a dangerous position where you think you know what you're doing. We'll need to contextualize our get load packet. That's fine. And yeah, okay. Okay. One load packet is contextualized. Ooh, this is a fun one. This is fun. We can just do this in there now. Nice. We're getting there, boys. We're getting there. Wait, hold on. The reason I scrolled up there is because I wanted to grab this. I am so lazy. I literally don't want to type a for loop structure. So I'm going to copy. Boom. Now we need update loops. We got broadcast loop done. And where does this end? this is just gonna. And let's grab our little final assignment. All right. Boom. This, yeah, I think no, that maps out, right? This means for every realm and for each player in the realm, do the processing. I can probably refactor this piece because this, yeah, I need to like do some. I mean, this isn't really taking up a lot of CPU. It is taking up a lot of CPU time, but not enough to you know be offensive. It's like 20% CPU for the client and the server when running at the same time, so it's really not that bad. But so let's. Our handy dandy realm getter. Boom. Bam. Beautiful. What did I miss? Sweet. This is a good one. Yep, so usability, that obviously needs to be contextualized. So I'll need to modify these packets. So I think shoot player. And honestly, I should do move player just so I don't have to go look it up well, they're not even, that's not even gonna be what, that's searching through like 300 players or something like that. That's not even gonna take anything. All right, let's worry about that in a second though. Getting off track. Final long realm buddy. Holy shit. Oh my fucking. Holy shit, I fucked that up. Alright. Yeah, okay. I think I need our good old realm iterator here. Right, because all this does is just removes, like, it's the one that, this is the loop that keeps track of when the bullets respond or if they have used up all of their distance traveled. And then we'll put this goes in the outer, fucking Christ. And this can go in here. Okay. Let's get our little helper guy. That annoys me. Can't have any spaces there. The code won't run otherwise. Ooh. Look at this. We've only got a little bit of red left. And where's this called? Yeah, so this is global. So we definitely don't need to be running this for every player. So making little improvements here on the side, going on a little side quest real quick. And we'll just run this at the end. Hot stuff. I don't really understand why you need the semicolon at the end. That just seems a little strange. Yeah, like in terms of Java syntax, you know, this is just a little strange. Right? What? Right? We don't need to do that anywhere else except when it's an anonymous runnable, which is kind of a special use case. Anyways, there's probably a good reason for it. All right, so we've removed that. Will save us a few CPU cycles, maybe enough to offset this iteration because there's a lot of bullets usually. So iterating on that multiple times per realm, or sorry, per player and realm could potentially hurt performance. And we know how this one works. Okay. Oh yeah, this is an important one. We need to go which map to go process the terrain hits on, so we definitely need to contextualize this one. That's fine. Easy. Starting to get good at this. Boom. Paste. Don't fucking text me. I don't want to talk to you. Oh, Jesus. I'm getting a little sick of this, though. Kind of boring. Oh, fuck. Okay. Actually, that's good. Ooh, look at that. We are really close, boys. And we can just pass this down. Yeah, this is the fun one. So I need, yeah. And I should refactor that first int as bullet ID just for clarity. So look how many fucking parameters this method has. It's crazy. And I should add some validation to make sure the target realm is not null, obviously. Oh. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, so usability, player shoot, those are going to need to contain the realm information at least. I won't worry about movement right now. I'll just search for the player like I said. Oh, this sucks. Look, how many times have we copied and pasted this one line? 100 or so? That's not about writing code. It's about knowing what to copy and paste. Where? Okay, now we just need to fix... I know, because I'm such a good programmer, I'm not going to have any horrendous bugs with this massive refactor, and it's just going to work first time. Confidence level? High. Okay, all right, let's pop over to here, work on our handlers. So let's make this public if it's not. Yes, it is. So, all right, what we can do in the case of the move packet is we're going to say manager.search this. Then we can just replace that there. It's kind of a weird compound statement. So we're going to search the realm for the player. So we're going to get the realm that they moved in and then get the player using that same ID, which in reality, this should probably just return the player, but yeah. Okay, so so usability and player shoot. Move item. Then log in. Okay, so those are we just need to modify those packets and we should be just about good to go here. All right, so here we go. Ooh, do I just want to be a lazy fucking search? Because I could just copy and paste that line and not make any changes. I'm feeling lazy, boys. I might refactor that, but we'll see. We just need this. Okay. Oh, well. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, wait, hold on. Sorry. Tripping. And use the same logic. It's not the exact same code. What the fuck? Boom. Fuck. I copied what I should have pasted. Okay. Yep. Very poor man's way of doing this. I feel a little bit bad. But not super bad. Holy shit. Terrible at coding. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I was just thinking through all this. This is a lot. This is the move item logic, which is just kind of a pain. It's not a pain in the butt. It's just very messy, right? There's so many use cases for where you're moving stuff from, and where I got to go get data, go look for items, copy them around, and all sorts of garbage. So it's yeah, it's a whole thing. Getting very close. Less and less red. Last one. What do I? How do I want to choose what round? Should I require that to? We'll just get a ran. We'll just do a random one, maybe. I guess. I guess we'll just go into a random realm, or the first one. Break. Alrighty. We should be very. Let's see. Let's open our project and see what red we got. Okay, we got 2 more classes. Not bad. Not bad. I do foresee whatever this error being slightly an issue. Because I don't know, there's could be a lot of enemies. We might need to store what realm. And then so also how does yeah, okay. Okay, that's an easy one. So it's really just this error. So we need to figure out how to give the enemy some context for what realm he's in. Not an issue. I just don't know the best way to do it at the moment. This is only called from the server side, so maybe I just tell him what realm he's in. Take our cheeky line from over here. What was this before? Oh. Okay, nice. And then we can just pass this. Sweet. Okay. What happened here? Oh, right. Yeah, now we can just super easy. Great. cool. No errors. All right. And so ideally, okay, so nothing should be different up until, let's close these, up until we get to here. So let's run it and make sure we didn't break anything. Oh, let's go. Yo, first try. No cap. Sick. Okay. Good processing rates. I don't know if I debugged it, so all right, let's see what we got here. Let's kill these. So okay. Let's go when we okay. Okay, so we got our data. UsePortal. Let's see how this works. Current realm. Oh fuck. That's not good. What are our realms? How did I mess that up? Why would they not be synced? Fuck, it's glitched. Alright, hold on. This is unfortunate. Seem to have broke the JVM. Yeah, there was clearly something wrong with that debug there. That sucks. Bro, what? Okay. Well, I think that might be a good time to end the video then, because I'm gonna have to restart this and figure out what's going on here. So, appreciate you guys watching. I'll finish this up in part 3 coming soon. Right, we just need to test our implementation. I think we've got all the pieces we need, at least since it didn't break. So, appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and please like and subscribe for more content.